Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mathematical Mindset. So right here we have the Stanford University entrance examination and we are to find the value of t. So the first thing guys you want to do is to simply rearrange this and set it to 0. So we have this to be t raised to the power of 3 minus t squared minus 100 and this is equals to 0. But 125 minus 25 is equals to what? 100, and 125 can be expressed in terms of 5 as 5 raised to the power of 3 minus 25 can be expressed in terms of 5 as 5 raised to the power of 2, and this is equals to what? 100. So at this point we have this to be t raised to the power of 3 minus t squared minus into 125 minus 25, and this is equals to 0. So we have this to be t raised to the power of 3 minus t squared minus multiply 125 will give us minus 125, minus times minus is plus 25, and this is equals to 0. So we have t raised to the power of 3 minus t squared minus 125 in terms of 5 is 5 raised to the power of 3 plus 25 can be expressed in terms of 5 as 5 raised to the power of 2, and this is equals to 0. Alright, so at this point we have this to be t raised to the power of 3 minus 5 raised to the power of 3 all in brackets minus t square minus 5 square, and this is equals to 0. So right here, we want to simply apply these properties that says if we have a raised to the power of 3 minus b raised to the power of 3, this is equals to a minus b multiply a square plus ab plus what? B square. And if we have a square minus b square, this is equals to a plus b multiply a minus b. So applying this property right here, whereby we have that a is equals to t and b is equals to 5. So hence, we have this to be, so that is from this point up to this point, we have this to be t minus 5 multiply t square plus t multiply 5 plus 5 square minus into a plus b, which is t plus 5 multiply t minus 5, and this is equals to 0. So we have t minus 5 multiply t square plus t multiply 5 is 5t plus 5 square is 25 minus t plus 5 multiply t minus 5, and this is equals to 0. So we want to simply factor out the common term, and we have the common term here to be t minus 5. So if we factor out t minus 5, we are going to have t squared plus 5t plus 25 minus, if you factor out t minus 5, we are going to have t plus 5, and this is equals to what? 0. So we have t minus 5 multiply t squared plus 5t plus 25 minus multiply t is minus t minus multiply plus 5, we're going to have this to be minus 5, and this is equals to 0. So we have t minus 5 multiply t squared plus 5t minus t is going to give us 4t, 25 minus 5 is going to give us 20, so plus 20, and this is equals to 0. So we have t minus 5 is equals to 0, and t squared plus 4t plus 20 is equals to 0. So we have t is equals to 0 plus 5, and t is equals to what? 5. So we have this to be the first value of t. So for this quadratic equation, we want to apply the quadratic formula, and we have that t is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b square minus 4ac divided 2a. Here a is equals to 1, b is equals to 4, and c is equals to what? 20. So at this point, we have that c is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of b square, which is 4 square, minus 4 multiply a, which is 1, multiply c, which is 20, divide 2 multiply a, which is 1. So we have that c is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 4 square is 16 minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 20 is going to give us 80, divide 2 multiply 1 is 2. So we have c is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16 minus 8 is going to give us minus 64, divide what? 2, and we have this to be t is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of, now minus 64 can be expressed as 64 multiply negative 1 divide 2. But if we have the square root of a multiply b, this is equals to the square root of a multiply the square root of b. So we have that c is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 64 multiply the square root of negative 1 divide 2. But the square root of negative 1 is equals to I, which is a complex root. So we have that c is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 64 is 8i divide what 2. Now we've gotten the I because of the square root of negative 1, alright? So at this point, we have that C is equals to factor out 2 from the numerator. We have minus 2 plus minus 4I divide what 2. So this we cancel out this. So we have that C is equals to minus 2 plus minus what 4I. So from this, we have been able to find the value of T. So hence we have that C is equals to 5 and C is equals to minus 2 plus minus 4I. So hence we are going to say the values of T is given as T is equals to 5, T is equals to minus 2 plus 4I, and T is equals to minus 2 minus what 4I, where we have this right here to be the what complex roots, and we have this right here to be the what real roots. So let's simply verify with the real roots to show if our answer is actually correct. So right here we're going to say to verify, we have the original expression to be given as t raised to the power of 3 minus t squared, which is equals to 100, and c is equals to what 5. So we have 5 raised to the power of 3 minus 5 raised to the power of 2 is equals to what 100. 5 raised to the power of 3 is 125 minus 5 squared is 25, and this is equals to 100. 125 minus 25 is 100, which is equals to what 100. So the left hand side is equal to the what right hand side. And guys, we have been able to verify this right here. So guys, this is how you can solve this 9 Stanford University entrance exam. And with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.